What's going on, YouTube? Modding Nut back at you with another review. I can't really say a kit review, as this is going to be a bit of a decal review. So, wanted to go ahead and just kind of show this off. Not many people might know that this even existed, so obviously wanted to put it out there for everybody. This is from Slixx Decals. I was hunting for this for literally 5-6 years solid. Like, it's been a long time of hunting and trying to find this decal sheet. Sorry for the out of focus there for a moment. Finally was able, with the greatness of the Slixx company themselves, was able to acquire this sheet. So these have been long out of production, so they are extremely rare. For those who don't know, back in 1995, Sammy Swindell drove a Hooters Sprint car, and these are the decals for that said car. The nice thing about the Slixx, if you haven't ever worked with them or gotten any aftermarket decals for NASCARs, is the fact that they have the alcohol and tobacco sponsorship. So we have the Skull Bandit series and everything like that. So that is definitely great to see. So, quick little just kind of overview of the sheet itself. Just actually completed a build, or in the process of completing a build with Slixx decals. They are awesome. Like I said, the quality of them is amazing. The only thing I have found, at least with the build that I've done, is the older decals like these, they are a bit on the brittle side. So what I have done to remedy that is used Microscale Industries liquid decal film. Sprayed this through my airbrush. Actually sprayed 2 complete sheets, and it's barely touched the bottle. And that held the decals together to go down onto a Steve Kinzer NASCAR build that I'm doing. So if you get these old decals, don't be timid, don't be scared to use them. Just note that you will want to overcoat them. Again, just with their age, it's nothing that Slixx has done wrong or anything like that. It's just the age. They just start getting brittle over time. So hopefully you guys like this quick little review of a pretty rare decal sheet. Talk to you guys later.